Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Adobe here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to zoom in Minecraft Pocket Edition with no mods or add-ons required. Now let me show you what I mean by look at that sheep over there, guys. So what I'm going to do is quickly zoom in, and as you guys can see, so I've zoomed in and I can zoom in even more as you guys can see, and then if I want I can zoom out a bit if I don't like this too much, or I can zoom out altogether and make it into the normal Minecraft Pocket Edition mode. And yeah, so this is really simple to do, and you can do it in vanilla Minecraft Pocket Edition itself, no mods or add-ons required. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it. So firstly, what you're going to do is open up your settings, your mobile settings, and I'm going to catch you guys there. And once you guys are on your settings, what you're going to do is go ahead and select accessibility. You're going to search it and select it. Now in case you're unable to find it over here, what you'll need to do is go ahead and click on advanced settings. So some phones have advanced settings as well as the normal settings. So what you're going to do is click on advanced settings, and then you'll find accessibility over there. And then what you're going to do is go ahead and click on it, and then over here you'll find magnification. Now just go ahead and click on magnification, and you'll get two options, either magnification with triple tap or magnify with a shortcut. Now magnify with triple tap is basically I tap on my phone so 3 times. All right, so I tapped on it 3 times, and as you guys can see, so it has zoomed in, and now I can keep moving it. I can do all of this stuff, and I can zoom in, zoom out, and do all of this stuff in not just in Minecraft but also in like my day-to-day activity with the phone. And then the second thing is magnification with shortcut. Now this is a bit more complicated, so there's going to be a tiny button on the bottom of your screen, or you have to use your gesture, so 2 fingers. You need to pull up with 2 fingers to enable magnification. So I would recommend using magnify with triple tap since it's a lot easier. And yeah, so after you have enabled this, so basically enable it, and then what you're going to do is go ahead and open up Minecraft. And guys, once you're in Minecraft, so as you guys can see, so I'm just going to triple tap and boom. So I can even move around with this. So let me just show you. Look at this, guys. So it is a bit complicated at first, but you'll get the hang of it. And this is how you zoom in Minecraft Pocket Edition with no mods or add-ons whatsoever, completely in vanilla Minecraft. And yeah guys, so if you guys did find this video useful, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and in the meantime go ahead and check out some of my other videos that are on your screen right now, and I'll see you guys over there. Now goodbye.